So hi all, welcome to today's video. So today's video we will be analyzing the results of FSSAI technical officer. So finally the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has released the results for all the 13 categories of the post notified in 2019. And the last result declared was on Thursday, the FSSAI much awaited technical officer results. So now we will already we have done some 4 to 5 videos regarding this cutoff analysis and expected marks and given marks like that. And in this video we will be covering the much anticipated results, how the results have come and what are the cutoff marks like that, right? So this is particularly for the technical officer, which we will be discussing only for TOs. Because technical officer there are 130 posts, which is high compared to other posts like CFSO, assistant director, etc. So in my previous video we have discussed that around 2647 students have qualified for appearing in the main examination, right? But in the result notification they have given only 2068 students appeared. Okay, some of the nearly 600 students were absent. So if I divide 2068 divided by 130, we will get 15.6 or most probably 16 candidates for one seat. But in the analysis video we have made for one seat 20 people were competing, but here it is clear cut that for one seat 16 members are competing. That means one person is a winner, 15 persons are behind them, right? So that case. Then 130 total qualified. So 130 as per the reservation status of the recruitment, like unreserved, OBC, EWS, SC, ST, etc. Right? And no wait list as of now. So normally in any recruitment, if you see, while releasing the select list, organizations will tend to release the reserve list or wait list also. But in FSSAI they have released, as we know, for Hindi translator, IT assistant and all the posts, they are following the same norms. If 15 vacancies are there, only 15 persons only they are calling, right? Similarly for technical officer, 130 vacancies are there, so 130 names are in the list. So they have not yet released the waiting list. So whether they will release the waiting list or not, we will see in the next points. And one main point to note is 15 to 20 candidates are common, right? So common in both the categories of the results, that is Central Food Safety Officer and Technical Officer. These two posts, so many people, mostly 15 to 20 members are, their names are common in both posts, right? So if some people will prefer CFSO, in that case what will happen? Technical Officer reserve list will release. Some people will prefer technical officer. In that case, CFSO results will be, waiting list will be released. So according to the, because computer based test is the very main thing, and so many people having the higher marks got into the two posts. So obviously they will select one. So wait list is a definitely will come. But the thing is, what type of which students can wait for those we will see. So category and cutoff marks for the technical officer examination. So these are the different categories for the technical officer. Unreserved category, the cutoff is 65 out of 100, and we know how they are calculating, right? So CBT score and main written score, they are converting as 50 and 50 and they are equating to 100. So for unreserved category, 65 is the cutoff. But if you see the CFSO, it is around 76, I think so, because the vacancies are less. But since the vacancies are very high in technical officer, the cutoff is 65. And OBC, the cutoff is 60.125. And if you watch the previous video in our channel, we have predicted the cutoff to be 60 plus or minus 3, but exactly it came as 0.125 extra. We predicted 60 and the actual cutoff was 60.125. So very much accurate, 99.50% we are accurate in our prediction, because the main thing is we have all the data. so only our prediction gone right. Okay, so this analysis video, if you need, you can check in our channel. And for EWS, it is much less compared to OBC, 56.625, and SC it is 58, and ST it is 53.5. And wait list, how they are going to come out from the wait list, making the wait list means, so see, three categories of posts are common for people with food technology degree: technical officer and central food safety officer. People with biotechnology, food science, food processing are eligible and no experience is required. Whereas for assistant director technical post, you should have some experience, right? And so many contractual peoples also appeared in all these examinations. So waitlist will definitely come after the first round of document verification, because if you see the name list, 15 to 20 candidates, maximum we can take it as 20 candidates will be common in CFSO list, technical officer list, and assistant director technical list. Obviously no one could take the post, so any one they will opt for. For example, contractual employees will prefer, obviously AD technical they will prefer, but one who is in the CFSO and TO, according to me, he will prefer TO only, because considering the factors of promotion and other things, right? So that is the thing, 20 people at the maximum will be common in both the list. And wait list will be declared after the document verification, which we can expect in January, before January 2nd week, the wait list can come, right? So how the wait list is going to come means, some people will not join technical officers and they will join the CFSO, and some people will join TO and not join CFSO. So in that case, both waiting list for CFSO will be there and TO will be there, right? But AD technical, I don't think waiting list will be there, because the posting itself is very less, 15. And due to promotional aspects, people prefer technical officer. So if you see the recruitment regulations, technical officer is the next cadre is assistant director technical, whereas in chief central food safety officer, it goes like chief CFSO, like that, CFSO only till, I think so, till the next cadre. So promotional aspects, most people will prefer the technical officer rather than CFSO. And students can wait for the reserve list. You check for the mains marks one released, because now the OTP link is not working. So many students are saying you wait till this week, right? So within this Friday the link will be activated, I think so. So you can check your marks and you can add it and you can check your marks, because people are saying people having the scores 284 in the CBT also are not selected in reserved categories. So it means they have scored very less in compared in the main written examinations. So everything will be clear once marks are released, and students can wait for the reserve list if they have the marks as per the following table. And this is also my prediction only. So category and reserve list cutoff. Once the marks are released, just add it as per my previous video. That is, divide your CBT score by 8, you will get some score out of 50, and divide your main marks by 2, you will have some score, right? If you are unreserved student and after adding your CBT and main examination, your score crosses 64 means you can wait or expect the reserve list, right? That is 1 mark. 1 mark you can bear for that particular category, because the cutoff is 65 for unreserved, selected cutoff. So the reserve cutoff may be 64 plus, high chances are there. And for OBC, 60.125 is the your selection cutoff. If you have 60 plus in fractions or in decimals, or 59.5 plus, you can expect the reserve list. And for EWS category, if you have 56.125 plus marks, you can wait for reserve list. and for SC category 57 plus and ST category 53 plus. So if you have 1 mark nearer to your category selected cutoff, wait for expected, that is the reserve list. You can expect the reserve list, otherwise you don't expect things to be happen, because we are not sure how the thing is going to happen, but definitely reserve list will be released, that is for sure. Because the fraction is there. If you see the cutoff of the OBC 60.125 is like cutoff, so it means the variation will be in the fractions also, that is the fractions also, 60, 0.25, 0.5, 0.825, so that makes the difference. So if you have the following marks, you can shortly wait for the reserve list. Reserve list will be mostly released before January 2nd week, so you can wait till that time. And people having less than this, you can start preparing for other examinations. Don't wait for these things. Of course you can see the updates, but don't anticipate, don't eagerly wait what is the wait list like that. But according to me, only 5 to 6 members, next 5 to 6 members will be can expect the reserve list. So what next? So people are fed up with the results, so many people are saying, so don't fed up with the final results, right? So this is one examination for food technology, only one of the not only examination, one of the examinations among the different categories of the posts. Of course, if you see the selection list, not all the people are the first time appearing students. So many people are very experienced and they are writing the examinations, other examinations for the past 2 or 3 years, and they are seniors in exams. And some people, if you take 100 people, out of them 97 people will be seniors only in this government exam preparation, and only 3% of the total will be first time candidates appearing in the examination. So you just don't stop your preparation. Obviously the sanctioned strength is 255 technical officer, 130 is filled up in this 2019 recruitment. Remaining posts, that is 120, it may come at any time in 2021 or 2022. So you just start your preparation, right? Whatever the questions are asked, and you be ready for the next recruitment. And not only FSSAI, you have other jobs also. So agricultural field officer is there, where food technology students can appear. So the exam is on 26th December, 26/12/2020. So prepare for that one, and you can expect NABARD notification, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development 2021 notification. Food technology biotech students can appear for that one, and also you can study for State Public Service Commission examinations. So keep on preparing, success will come at the correct time. Okay, the work will not go waste at any point of the time. And remember that you have cleared one phase and you have came very near to the victory. So don't stop your preparation. Continue your work in the preparations. The main thing is your continuity. So many people will leave the preparation when they are very near to the victory. So don't stop your preparations. Start preparing and continue your preparation and appear for many examinations. Right? Thank you.